Welcome to Siriraj International Relations News. My name is Kasama Kowin, your host for today. Well, at the hybrid education industry, it's rapidly evolving as a new normal of education in this era. Our Faculty of Medicine Siriraj Hospital, Mahidol University, also embrace the change to catch up with these education trends as well. And that is a key person and a working group behind this. So today we're gonna go to learn more about our inspiring excellence center called SHEE, or Siriraj Health Science Education Excellence Center ศูนย์ความเป็นเลิศด้านการศึกษาวิทยาศาสตร์สุขภาพคณะแพทยศาสตร์ศิริราชพยาบาลมหาวิทยาลัยมหิดลค่ะ who they are responsible for the new learning platform on medicine and health science educations. And some of you might have heard of SHEE. But for the benefit of the doubts, let's get to know more about this episode. And right now, we have the special guest with us. So I would like to introduce you to Associate Professor Dr. Chertsak Airamani Rat, the Director of Siriraj Health Science Education Excellence Center. สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับ
So welcome to International Relations News, and thanks for being here with us today. And now, please, could you please tell us briefly about SHEE? What is it and what is the mission?
SHEE is Siriraj Health Science Education Excellence Center. This is a new unit of Faculty of Medicine Siriraj Hospital, which has been developed in order to train faculty members and supporting staff in order to increase their capacities in educational mission. In order to do this, we have three main missions, including to teach teaching skills, teaching concepts, teaching principles to faculty members and staff. The second mission is to facilitate our faculty members and supporting staff to develop educational research. And the last mission for our unit is to develop new generations of educators.
So you're a teacher, a facilitator, and developer. So I see. So what are the highlight programs that SHEE's offer?
Okay. Our services follow our three main missions as I described. The first mission is to teach faculty members and supporting staffs. We provide many services, including workshops. We developed many types of workshops related to education. And these workshops include face-to-face workshops, online live training sessions, and also asynchronous online lessons. Many types of workshops that we develop provide basic understanding and the techniques that teachers and educators should use to help educational vision of our university. We also provide knowledge in the format of SHEE podcast. We provide podcasts about 2 episodes per month. These podcasts address interesting agendas, interesting issues related to education. And our third service is to develop SHEE journal. We have academic journal published about 4 issues per year. And this address emerging issues that will be interested to many educators, and the knowledge in these columns in the journal provide some understanding that will help teachers adjust to new things in medical schools and health science schools. Our second mission is to facilitate educational research. We provide workshops to help teachers and educators to develop new educational projects. We also provide supporting fund. We provide educational research grants to to those who are interested. And finally, we also have consultation service. We have the service called SHEE Consult, which will provide an assistance to those who need it. For our third mission, to develop new generations of educators. Right now, we have 2 master degree programs. Our first master degree program is Master of Science in Health Science Education. This is a special program. It is taught in Thai. After this successful program, we developed a certificate program. And we just launched a new master degree program. This is a Master of Science in Health Science Education international program. This will help spread the knowledge to our neighboring countries and those who are interested in developing health science education.
I see. So that is the 3 missions that you said so far?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the SHEE's biggest challenge you can see so far?
Right now, I think the biggest challenge is educational disruption. This disruption impacts us in 2 ways. First, we have to adapt ourselves, adapt our service to adjust to these disruptions. You can see that we provide many formats of learning platform, not only the traditional face-to-face workshop. We have provide many new online workshops, many new online courses in order to help to facilitate our staffs to be able to serve educational missions in the disruptive world. The second thing that this affects us is we have to train our faculty members and educational supporting staffs to be able to deliver the content, the knowledge in health science education to students in this disruptive world. And this requires a lot of new skills and new techniques in teaching and assessment.
I see. So the disruptive is a big issue that's come to everywhere right now, including to us as well. So next questions, how do you see the future of medical education, and I mean not only in Thailand scale but in the global scale?
Okay. I think in the future there are many things that have to change in our health science education system.
Yeah.
The first thing is our curriculum must be more flexible. We cannot provide the curriculum like one size fits all, that one curriculum teach everything to everyone in the same way. Our curriculum have to change in a way that is more flexible. Different people have different needs, and the curriculum must design in a way that the outcomes of the degree program, at the end of the education, there may be different tracks or different interest groups that people can pursue their learning needs in different ways. The second change that is coming is the learning method. We will see the use of more educational technology, more simulation technology in our teaching platforms. And the third is assessment. The traditional way of assessment, we usually focus on paper-based tests, testing of cognitive knowledge. But in the near future, we have to move towards more authentic assessment. We have to do a lot of assessment in the workplace, and this will provide the guarantee to the society that after the graduation, when they go to work, they actually can perform according to the learning outcomes that we describe in the curriculum.
I see. And the last question, is there any new project she has launched in this moment?
Okay, there are many projects that we are working on. The first one is we are developing a SHEE mobile application.
Wow.
We have launched this SHEE mobile application about a year now. And this mobile application will help provide more access to people. They can access many of our services on their mobile phone.
I see.
And this mobile application is evolving. We add new features, add new things into our mobile application. The second project is we are launching a Master of Science degree program in health science education, which is an international program. Okay, we taught a Thai program for 6 years now, and this year, this coming semester, we are launching an international program,
I see.
which will help spread the knowledge, not just in Thailand, but to many countries that has health science education schools. I think this will be a promising project as well. And we are now working on another project, which is standardized patient development project, because we see that in the current year and in the coming near future, the use of standardized patient, that is an actor who portray the role of patients, will have significant impact in how students learn. So we try to improve the quality of standardized patient with this new project. These are the 3 new projects that we are proudly present to you, and we hope that these new projects will improve the quality of education in our medical schools and health science schools.
I see. So thank you so much. I have learned a lot about SHEE for today. And so I would like to thank Ajahn Chersak once again for lending us some your valuable times. And if you want to know more about SHEE, upcoming activities such as seminar or online courses, the podcast and journal, and etc., please visit this official website, YouTube channel, and Facebook page as mentioned below. And once again, thank you for your times, and I'm your host once again, Kasama Kovin. Good day, everyone. สวัสดีค่ะ